You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Alright friends, today on this episode of DIYNate, I'm going to walk you through, and it's a pretty rough video, so I apologize in advance, the process for changing a headlight bulb. Pretty simple on this Toyota Sienna 2011. You're going to get in there and disconnect the alligator clamp there, or the little plastic tab. You're going to pop that off. You're going to take your bulb out, turn it to one direction, unscrew it. You're going to put your new bulb in. You're going to twist it in place, and then you're going to connect your clamp right back on there, and your headlight should turn right back on. Link in the video description. Let's get to it. All right, folks, just changing my headlight bulb here on my 2011 Toyota Sienna. It is the low light bulb, and as you can see here, actually I already have a bulb put in the back here. This is the old bulb right there, and the new bulb is going to be in this position right here. Let me see if I can get some light on it. There we go. Okay, so as you can see right here, this bulb I've already put in, but basically you turn it, I turned it this way, and you flip it in, it goes right there. This one, I believe there's some kind of locking mechanism. Push that in and pull out at the same time. So all you got to do is squeeze the tab, squeeze these guys squeeze together, pops in. And I am thinking, just out of simplicity, better to put the bulb in first so that you're in position, and then hook it in. And so all I'm doing here, try to do this while I'm looking at it. It's gonna slip right on there, clamp on. We'll test it and see if that works any better. I'm guessing whoever bought the bulb, they didn't want to take the time to mess with it. They left this actually in the car in the glove box. So I'm assuming they were trying to be a good friend and save me the effort of buying the bulb. They never did the work to put the headlight in. So that's okay with me. So we're gonna just come around here and see if that headlight replacement worked for me. I'll put the low beam on right now. Good as new. And I had the high beam on before, so we'll flip that on, make sure everything's working there. And that is an easy replacement. So that is how you replace your 2011 to 20-something bulb in your Toyota Sienna. We're in good shape today. Headlights are working. I got my high beams working now, and we are all good now. Easy replacement, took about 5 minutes. And this is the old bulb. Get rid of that guy. I will leave a link, of course, in the video description. If you're looking for the part number, there are a variety of them. There's one for that one, Sylvania. All right, you've been watching DIYNate. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.